Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. And today is Vlogmas Day 4. Hey y'all, so in honor of my birthday, tomorrow my 22nd birthday, I wanted to do a random facts about me video. It was supposed to be 15 facts, but I may get more. So instead of just wasting time, I'm just gonna jump right into it. So the first one is, if you listen to my intro, my name is Lauren, Lauryn, not Lori, Lori. Lori is a nickname I grew up with, and actually my family spells it Laurie. Just fun fact. But yeah, Lori is a family nickname, a nickname period, I guess you would say. But my name is Lauren. Like people I do business with, like the few companies and like the people that know me that I worked with obviously know my name is Lauren. But like people on Instagram and stuff like that, y'all all call me Lori, and I still be like, hey, what's up, because you know that's who I am. But my name is Lauren, like Lauryn Hill. It's spelled like Lauryn Hill. Actually, technically, my mom says she named me after Lauryn Hill, because that when I was born was when Lauryn Hill like came out, you know, like when she was first starting to come out. So that takes me to fun fact number 2, or random fact number 2. I'm 21, but I'll be 22 tomorrow on December 5th. Yeah, I'll be 22 tomorrow, December 5th. And I was born December 5th, 1997. So yeah, I'm 22. I was born in 97. I'm a 90s baby. I'm grown now, so. Random fact number 3. I'm a Sagittarius. That's my zodiac sign, my sun sign. I'm a Sagittarius. Like I just said, my birthday is December 5th. As y'all know, that is Sagittarius season. And not only that, my ascendant sign is Taurus and my moon sign is Aquarius. As y'all know, it is so many astrology signs you have. You literally have a sign for each planet. Like you have a Jupiter sign, a Pluto sign, and so on and so forth. Well, I know my three big ones. My zodiac, or my sun sign, is a Sagittarius. My ascendant sign is a Taurus, and my moon sign is an Aquarius. So if we relate in any way, comment down below and let me know. And let me know y'all sun, moon, and ascendant sign. I would really like to know. I'm really interested in that type of stuff. But yeah, I'm a Sagittarius with ascendant in Taurus and a moon in Aquarius. So my next fact is, this is my 4th year of college, and my major is nursing. Now, the extra information, all of this is my 4th year. I'm only halfway through. It's taken me 4 years to do 2 years worth of prerequisites, but you take your time. I haven't felt the need to rush. But yeah, and another thing is, next semester, well, I'm only one class away from being in the nursing program, so that's just another fun fact, you know. I graduated high school in 2016, so yeah, this is my 4th year of college. I went straight from high school to college. I didn't like take a year off or nothing. I'm gonna give y'all all these extra facts, but yeah. So another fact about me, the 5th one, I believe, y'all may not know this, but, and I think it's a Sagittarius thing, but I am like very emotional, and I'm kind of sensitive. Like these more recent years of my life, I have been a lot more emotional. I cry a lot more, and I'm actually okay with knowing that I'm emotional, and I'm okay with crying all the time. Like literally, I cry like at least once a week, you know. It's just what I do. I'm an emotional girl. It's just is what it is. I don't even know. I don't know. Number 6, y'all may not have, but y'all don't know this about me, but you might have not guessed. I have fractured a bone before. Like, I know I don't ever look at people and wonder if they have broken a bone or whatever, but I have. I had a hairline fracture in my foot. I fell and like hurt myself. Obviously, I had a fracture. And you know, a hairline fracture is when the bone like breaks a little bit, like it's a crack in it. And that mess hurt. My foot was bruised up. I was on crutches. I hated being on crutches. I hated being disabled, you know. But yeah, I had a hairline fracture in my foot before. Now, the next one is something I'm not too proud of, but it's just what I do. I am an extreme binge watcher. Like, I am not somebody, especially on Netflix, Hulu, even on Disney Plus, like all that good stuff, Prime, Amazon Prime, all of that. Even on TV, when I watch TV, I rarely watch TV, but even when I do, I binge watch. I cannot just watch one episode and go. The only time I can do that is when I have stuff to do. But Netflix time is an important time in my day. I need time every day to binge. Like, I literally binge all of season 1 of Power, and as you know, it's 8 episodes and they all an hour long. I watched it in like 2 days. Like, and that's binging. Like, that's 8 hours that I finished in 2 days. I don't know where I found the time, but I'm a binge watcher. It's just what I do. The next one is a little sad. Like, I'm not happy about it, but it is what it is. I have never been in a relationship before. Never in my life. I am 22 years old and I haven't had nothing like serious either. Like, it's never. Now, obviously, a few points in my little high school life. I haven't since I've been grown, but you know how you like boys and you talk to boys, and like I had a little couple of them situations, but I've never been in anything serious. I've never talked to one like that. It's not like I don't want to. It's clear I want a man. I do. Like, I'm getting old. It's about time. I need to figure this out because I'm getting old. So maybe next year, maybe a year after that. I won't be saying it, but yeah, as of today, December 4th, 2019, I ain't been in a relationship. So, considering the fact that I have a hair page, I have a hair Instagram page, and my YouTube channel is majority about hair, you wouldn't think that I didn't do my hair that often, but I don't. Like, obviously, my hair is done. In a couple of days, you will see the tutorial over this high puff, but I did this puff Sunday. So I did this puff on the 1st. It is now, well, I'm going to wear this tomorrow, but all the way up to the 4th, my hair has been just like this. It's a drawstring ponytail, if you didn't know, but my hair is protected underneath. This is a protective style, and my hair is protected underneath, and if I can just keep it up, that's good. I do not like doing my hair every day. That's why when I stick to what I know. Like, I do a wash and go because there's a very low maintenance. I do it that one day, I be good for the week. I braid my hair, I be good for the week. I do this, I be good for the week. I don't do my hair though. Sometimes I go a couple weeks without doing my hair because I just don't like doing it. I just don't. Like, my hair is long and I need to trim. I really need to trim, but I don't like doing my hair. That's just something I don't like doing, unfortunately. But I like doing it at the same time because it gives me something to do, and I feel good when I finally do my hair. Like, I finally put myself together, you know? So this next fact is a fact. I am very opinionated. I don't know why. I just have so many opinions, and I'm like passionate about my opinions. And I'm very stubborn with my opinions. I am very sensitive about my opinions. I'm just very opinionated in every shape, form, and fashion. Not that I'm not willing to hear other people and learn new stuff, but I'm just very opinionated. I have a lot of opinions. And then another fact is I don't like hearing other people's opinions when it crashes with my opinion. Like, I don't know if that's because I just don't like other people to have opinions, or because sometimes a difference of opinion can lead to like arguments and stuff, and I don't necessarily want to be in an argument. Maybe that's why. I don't know what it is. I just don't like other people's opinions. I don't know. That's another fact. And it's bad. It's not something I'm happy about. But I'm opinionated and I don't like other people's opinions. I know. That's not a good mix either. A newer fact about myself is that I used to bite my nails. Now, if you check, well, I don't know if it's my previous videos or not, but if you ever like just pay attention, my nails are like long. I recently cut them down so they're a lot shorter, but my nails are long and I have short nail beds, as you can tell. So when my nails get long, they just look really long because I have small nail beds as well. But I used to bite my nails and now I don't. I cut these down with like nail clippers. Like I just don't bite my nails no more. And my hands just look a lot better. And since I've been stopped biting my nails, I've just been more into the health of my nails. So I haven't even gotten like acrylics or nothing because you know those damage your nails. So yeah, I don't bite my nails. I don't do any of that. But I use to bite my nails like low. They never used to grow. It always used to be like right here. Like I would bite it into the nail bed and then I would eat the skin. Well, not eat it, but bite the skin all around my finger too. That's not a good habit. I stopped, but yeah, I used to bite my nails. I don't know more. I do my own eyebrows is my next fun fact about myself. I do my own eyebrows. As y'all know, I have very like bushy eyebrows naturally, but I shape them and I do them myself. And if you stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas and subscribe, I'm going to have a video up of me showing y'all how I go hard on my eyebrows, like that good harsh deep routine to get all that hair gone. Like I got that coming, so subscribe and stay tuned for the future Vlogmas videos because it'll be up pretty soon. So, but I do my own eyebrows. I does my own eyebrows. Another thing, I feel like I mentioned this before on my channel. Before 2019, I did not have a permit. So if I didn't have a permit, I clearly didn't have my license. Well, I got my license now. I am now a licensed driver. I literally been driving for years, like years, since I was easily 16, 17. But at 22, I guess you would say, the end of me being 21, but now at 22, I'm finally licensed. I got my permit in August. And I got my license in October. I wanted to get my permit in August because I was finna start school again, and I did not want to go into another school year and still be without a permit at the very least. And then I got my license in October because October is, you know, homecoming, and I wanted to be licensed, especially during that time because, you know, it'll be a lot of people, a lot of traffic, and wrecks can happen, and you know, you need a license, you need insurance and all that. So I got my stuff this year, and now some of my ducks are in a row. I feel pretty good about myself that I got my license and I'm a licensed driver. I'm legal now. My next fact is kind of like none of y'all business, but it's a fun fact though. I live in Arkansas. I don't know any like big YouTuber that lives in Arkansas. I think is her name Perfect Labs. She the gay girl. She's from Little Rock, Arkansas. But other than her, I don't know nobody else that's like from Arkansas. But I live in Arkansas currently. I'm not gonna tell y'all my city, but if you like literally pay attention to my videos and look at the shirts of my college, you would know what city I live in. That's not like something I want y'all to do, but like if you just pay attention, it's obvious. But yeah, I live in Arkansas. This next one, my cousin, this what I'm about to tell y'all leads into my next fact. My cousin asked me to go out with her for New Year this year, New Year's Eve, something like that. I want to go, but I want to wear heels, like, cause I want to be cute, cause she wear heels. I can't walk in heels. I just cannot. I can't. Maybe it's because I'm a big girl and that's a lot of weight on a little heel. I don't even know, but I can't walk in heels. I can't do it. I try. I feel like I'm gonna start my weight loss journey next year, and I feel like once I start, you know, maybe dropping some pounds, it'll get a little easier. I don't even know, but I can't walk in heels, y'all. That's just something I cannot do. I can't walk in heels. And this next fact is something a little weird. I was not clinically diagnosed with this, but it's kind of like obvious. I am a hypochondriac. And I don't know if y'all know what that is, but you know, like they had one on Grey's Anatomy on one episode. Mine isn't it isn't as extreme as hers, but you may know what I'm talking about because she was a hypochondriac. It's just, it's like it's a form of anxiety where if you feel one little thing, your mind basically goes to the worst. So my mom she like broke out for something like that on her arm, and me being a hypochondriac, my mind kind of automatically went to the worst, and I was like just googling stuff trying to find what was wrong with her. And it's just like the little tiniest stuff. It just like, I don't know. And then it's like when it's like activated, I'm not like a functioning person when it's activated. Like my mind is on it. Like I can do something, but my mind is always on it. Like when I just randomly get anxious, apart from being a hypochondriac, I am not a functioning anxious person. Like you know how you have like functioning crackheads? If crack was my anxiousness, if that's a good, I don't know, I couldn't be a functioning crackhead, if that makes sense. Like I'm just not functioning with it. I just can't. My mama said she gonna get me some anti-anxiety meds so I can function better, but like literally I can't. I'm not a functioning person with that. Okay, I was trying to think of some more fun facts, interesting facts about myself to add to this, and I really don't have any. Maybe in the future I'll upload like an updated one, but that's pretty much all the random facts about myself that I can think of. I know y'all probably wanted more. I don't know if y'all did, but that's all I can really think of at the moment. But so that's some facts about myself. I don't even know what to say. But yeah, if you liked this video and you enjoyed hearing about more, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. And guess what? The day I'm feminist, I lost a subscriber. So I'm over here trying to gain subscribers and somebody unsubscribe. Why would you do that? I don't know, but I want you to know that I saw it, and that's it. It is what it is. You can do what you want to do what make you happy. But like, if I'm subscribed to you and I figure out it was you who unsubscribed to me, I'm unsubscribing from you, just so you know. I don't even know if you're gonna see this, but I saw it, and you suck. You suck for that. That was like dirty. I don't unsubscribe from people, so that ain't none of my business though. But if you see this, not that person, but whoever watching this, you see this and you aren't subscribed, I don't know why I did this, but if you aren't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Do that for me. I'm trying to reach 200 by the end of Vlogmas. I don't know how realistic that is, but help me make that real. Help me make that a reality. Subscribe to my channel. Help me out. And I'm going to see you in my next video, y'all. Bye.